Okay, you're so lucky you called me right after work because, I can see a strand of hair poking through your beanie and, it doesn't look good. Now, I'm gonna ask some real questions here. Why are you walking into my salon with a beanie on and all of your hair tucked into it? Do you want me to just take it off and decide for myself how bad it is? So you might just be overreacting. But from the one strand poking here, looks pretty burned off. What'd you do? Oh, is it all that bad? Oh, honey, I know we're in lockdown, but you should be a bit more careful. You have to be a bit more gentle with your locks, okay? I'm gonna take the beanie off. No, don't cry. Don't cry. We'll fix this, okay? Right, okay. Do you want me to count or? Okay, I'll just do it. Holy Mother of Jesus. I'm sorry. How did you do that? How? Oh God, have you got it? Yeah, I can see some chopped bits. I can see whatever this here short bit is. I can see a lot of things going on here. Oh, your ends are so bad. What? Okay, first things first. What did you do? I need to know all of the details so I can decide what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a closer look at your hair, so if you can whisper in my ear what you did, because I know you don't want anyone else to hear you. Right, let's see. Is that chicken? Oh, an egg, okay. I just don't understand how is it so greasy and so, it's like really greasy and really dry at the same time. Now tell me, was this a series of unfortunate events or did you just manage to do all of this at once? Your scalp seems okay. Just, you know, the cut bits of your hair are a bit of a situation, but we'll sort it out. It's very possible that once we brush through it, we'll be able to, you know, it might not be as bad as this, cut-wise, but, you know, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna check the back of your head now. Okay, let's see. So, okay, right. Yeah, I see the eggshells. I also see like little yellow bits. Apple. Why is there apple? Oh, apple pie, okay. Why is there apple pie in your hair? Why is there apple pie in your hair? I'm gonna cut your head off. Yeah, I'm just checking your scalp. I mean, your scalp's fine. You seem to have done this mainly onto your ends. Right, okay. I tell you what, I'm going to brush through it. Because it looks like all of the stuff on your hair is just like on it. Like your hair's clean. Oh god. Okay, we'll need to take this bit by bit. Yeah, the fact that I need to hold your hair while I'm brushing through it is never a good thing. Oh god. Okay. Looking a lot better already. Look at this. Yeah, all of the little bits seem to just be falling off, so. Sorry, didn't realize I had an earring on. Let me just, I'm gonna take them off. Is that okay? Yep, I see it. I also see a couple of hair extensions that weren't here last time, so I'm just gonna quickly take these off as well. There you go. Right, okay. Let's do this side now. Yes, I did just smack myself in the face. Still not as silly as what you did. You know what? When I brush it, all of the stuff are falling down, so I don't think we're gonna need to cut it or anything. I think we're just gonna have to see yeah, we're just gonna have to see. Could put some dry shampoo in it. Use that to get rid of all the oil. So the reason why I'm kind of against washing your hair right now is because of that treatment we did. And you're not supposed to wash your hair for you're not supposed to wash your hair 6 days after doing the treatment, and you have managed to do this on the 2nd day. Okay, right, let's see. Did you do all of this to come here and have an excuse to get a scalp massage? I'm joking. God, this is a situation. 100% a situation. Well, none of your hair's falling off at least. We do have, like, you know, it's a tiny bits coming off, but that's normal. Your hair sheds. And especially after the treatment we did, your hair is gonna shed a lot. We're gonna get rid of all those dead hairs and stuff. Okay. Sorry, I'm not making much eye contact. I'm just trying to concentrate here on dealing with this. Right. Yeah, these new chairs are really creaky. Right, okay, let's see. I seem to have brushed all of the stuff out of it. Yeah, your hair looks so much better now. Look at that. Look at the ends. Right, okay. We did your ends. We got rid of all the little things. I'm gonna double check if that's everything. Hello, I'm very close to your head right now. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be anything. I've been sitting in the morning at the diner around the corner. Sitting in the morning at the diner around the corner. Okay, well, we seem to have, yeah, we seem to have dealt with, all the little bits and pieces. And, we seem to have also dealt with the knots in your hair. I'm just trying to think what I can do for those ends here. Let's see. What have we got? I've got the John Frieda Color Restore here. See, the thing is, we would need to wash your hair for this. Oh yeah, it's really good. I really like it. Yeah, I really like this. It's like a Core Restore Advanced Protein Volumizer. And it's a fiber fortifier basically. But to use it you need to have some little bits from your hair somehow ended there while I was brushing them. But yeah, you have to wash it, apply this on damp hair, and then blow dry it to activate the Core Restore. So we can do this next time. For now I just need something that will help without washing your hair. I've got this Care and Protect Breakage Defense. That would be perfect actually. You apply this to dry hair. It smells really good here. It smells so good, doesn't it? See, I would offer you, I would be offering you nice stuff right now, like tea, coffee, chocolate, but the salon's closed, so I need to put it on my hands very well. And now yeah, look at how nice it made your hair. Yeah, I'm just applying this on the ends because they were very, very frizzy. Yeah, frizzy is the word. So this should tame down the frizz and protect your hair for the next few days until you can wash it. Right, we need to give this a little comb through before we seal it in. You basically seal it in by just yeah, wait it out. Ah, oh, hell yeah. Hair's so nice now. I'm so happy this worked. I'm also so happy we're not gonna need to trim it because we literally just gave you a trim. You can't just do things for your hair, well, to your hair and then just, randomly expect it's all gonna be fine. Sadly, hair does not work like that, as you must have found out by this point. Also, it took you so long to grow your hair this long. And we can't, ruin it now. Also, the silk press, it takes a toll on your hair. No matter how many things I put in it, it's still gonna have an effect on the strength of your hair. So if we were to have to do that again now instead of if we had to do this again now instead of in 2 weeks, it would be detrimental to the state of your hair. So you're lucky all the things just came out and I didn't have to resort to worse measures. Okay. Seem to be looking brand new. Seem to be done here. So I'm happy. I'm happy with the result here. Can I see you again in 2 days though? Just to check up on the state of your hair and see how well it took that mask. Yeah, okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, I just saw a little. Not here. There you go. Right, okay. We're done here. I'm happy this worked. Because if it didn't, I would have cried. And you would have cried. And all of us would have cried, so... You know, good things happen to good people. Okay. I'll write you in. Okay, yeah, 2 days. I'll write you in. And we shall see each other then and decide on what happens next with your hair, okay? Okay, right. See you soon then. Be careful. Yeah, let me give you a wee kiss. Oh, you can't unlatch your chair? Okay, I'll help you with the chair.